Sir Bernard a happy birthday. Birthday, Sir Bernard. And of course, it's nice to be with Sir Ramesh again in Rome. I'd like to thank, of course, Brady Pharma family for the trust. And I'm really grateful. Rome, thank you. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat sa inyo sa oras to be with us today. Good afternoon, everyone.
So at this point, maybe request Sir Bernard and Sunshine. So,
If you have any questions for Sunshine and Dan, we'll be happy to answer them for you. Any questions for Shine?
Hello, is the speaker here? Okay. Hi, good afternoon. I'm John Buena. I'm a blogger from Kumakaw.com. First of all, congratulations, Ms. Sunshine. I'm sure you were thrilled when you actually were told that you're going to be the face of Thiocel. How has the brand changed your lifestyle per se? And have you been taking Thiocel for a while? And what does the lozenge actually? How does it affect you on your health per se?
I've been taking Thiocel lozenge for about 3 months. 3 months now. And alam naman natin na pag-artista, exposed sa sun, exposed sa sunshine. Ayan, exposed sa sun and light, no? Pag nagtitaping tayo, even indoor